Hi guys. When it comes to the bedroom, women are a lot harder to please because women live inside their heads the majority of the time. Now, I want to preface this by saying that any female can hop in the bed with you and think nothing of it. I'm not talking about the women who are easy. I'm talking about actual women of substance here. It takes a rare kind of guy that can ignite sexual desire in a woman and make her feel just as excited to jump into bed with him. Now, when I say rare kind of guy, you're probably thinking I'm talking about looks or status, but you're wrong. The fact is, making a woman crave you sexually starts in the mind. It's about understanding what makes her tick. It's about knowing your way around her mind, body, and soul. If there was one phrase to describe how women get aroused long term, it's buildup. This is a secret only some guys will understand. While men can quickly go from 0 to 100, women need to be eased into it over a period of minutes, hours, or sometimes even days. It's a gradual buildup of sexual tension that eventually makes her crave you. The first step to doing that is making sure there's an emotional connection already established. She needs to feel safe and secure in your presence before she can be vulnerable in her sexuality. Unlike men, she can't feel that state of arousal and lust before the emotional foundation is laid. That's what allows a woman to let her guard down and be primed for anything sexual, because women live on how you make them feel. You can throw all the logic out there, all of the knowledge, all the wisdom, it will not matter. Women live on emotions and how you make them feel. There's an interesting psychological phenomenon called affective priming. To make it short, people are more likely to associate positive qualities to something when they're already in a happier and positive mood themselves. And this also works in reverse. If you can understand this concept and apply it in the context of relationships, you will see why it's so important for women to feel the positive emotions of love and comfort prior to sex. Think of affective priming like this. The emotional terrain you set up throughout the day or even the week serves as the backdrop for all your interactions, sexual or otherwise. It's like setting the stage for a performance. If you've done your job right, the lighting, the sound, and the script are all on point, the performance reaches a crescendo that leaves the audience, in this case your woman, in awe. So here's the takeaway. When she's in a good emotional state, when she feels valued, respected, and loved, she's already preconditioned to view you and your actions in a positive light. That means you're not starting each and every single romantic or sexual encounter from zero. You're starting from an elevated platform of positive emotions, making it so much easier to reach higher levels of intimacy and satisfaction. So if you want to be that rare breed of man who truly understands a woman, body, mind, and soul, it's going to take more than a fleeting effort. This is a long-term game here, guys. And the man who knows how to play it well is the one that's truly winning in life. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.